Hi everyone, welcome. Well, I'm going to share with you my weight loss or weight gain for the week. Stay tuned. Hi everybody. Well, today is Tuesday, and what I decided to do, since Tuesday is my weigh-in Weight Watchers meeting morning, I thought every Tuesday I will post my progress, and I'm going to go ahead and add a few of my meal preps that I did for basically my lunches. Sometimes they were my dinners and my snacks. So what I have to report this week is I did not have a weight loss. I had a 6-ounce weight gain. But I'm not upset about it at all because I just completed my 5th week, and in those 5 weeks I am down 9.0 pounds because I gained the 6 ounces. However, that's kind of what I expect from my body, and like I said, I'm not going to allow the scales to dictate how I feel about my progress. I know that I normally will have 1 week a pretty substantial loss, and the next week it'll be much lower or even no loss. I do kind of feel like I'm retaining just a little bit of fluid, and of course I document everything that I eat, and I never ever went over my daily allowance. And only one day last week I really only had 1 point to spare, and that actually was just yesterday. So every other day I've always had usually between 8 and 10. So my rollover for the week was already up to like 45 extra, and I never touched it. So I know I followed the plan very well, and I know that that's just my body adjusting, and I'm not at all disappointed in it. I'm very happy with the progress because I just feel better in my clothes. They're feeling looser, and I want my progress to, just to be on that slow thing. Now, as a reminder, I do need to pump up the fluid. So I really don't drink any sodas anymore, which is that's really good for me. But along that end, I've got to do something more to boost up my water. So I bought some sparkling water, and let me tell you, that bubbly stuff, it's not that great. They were talking about it, and everybody saying, "Oh, sparkling water is just so refreshing." And I guess I tried a pineapple one, and I was like, "Ooh," but I did try I think it was dark cherry berry or something, and that was pretty good, but there's this kind of bitterness with it, and but whatever, maybe I can just do half and half with ice, and then that's a good way to get the water down me. But so that is my progress this week. So I don't have a loss to report, but it's okay. I really had some just good food and never felt hungry, never without gosh, I'm just not satisfied. So I expect next week that I will have probably anywhere, I would think, between a 1.5 to 2 pound loss, because that's pretty much what my body's always done in the past. No matter what program I've been on, it's usually like every other week for me. But anyway, so that's good. So that's my report for this week, and right now I am in the process of working outside because in my back screened-in porch, because it needs to be cleaned from the dust and winter months, and so I'm hosing everything down, moving things out, and just trying to get it just springified a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some of what I made this week, and share that with you. Well, guys, this is real life. Saturday morning, yeah, bedhead. But I wanted to get up and just share with you what I'm doing for my meal preps. And today I am prepping a chickpea, cucumber, spice type salad just to have with tomatoes on hand during the week. And then also I am prepping salads, and two will be kind of Southwest type with black beans and corn, and the other two will be more of a fruit salad. So both savory and sweet, but kind of the same ingredients: tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, and then I add black beans and corn to a couple of the salads, and then I add some fruit to the others with chopped up cucumber and carrots and stuff like that. So I'm all set then for the week, or when I just need something quick to eat that is 0 points, I've got something to go to. So here I've got a mix of blueberries, raspberries, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce. Same here. This one's going to be kind of my Southwest salad where I'm going to use corn and black beans to fill it. And same here. And then this is just some extra. So if I want to do a wrap, I have some chopped up lettuce and then some free carrots on hand. And I do peel my own carrots. I just don't like those baby carrots. I know they're convenient, but real carrots really take away that sweetness if that's something you're craving. And then I'm going to make a tomato, garbanzo bean, cucumber salad with that. I don't put any of the dressings on until I'm ready to eat it so it doesn't get soggy. And these cute little neat containers really hold the salads in here for a week. I also do my snacks in here. And here is my garbanzo beans, cucumber, tomato salad. I have some of this Greek Freak spice on it. It's super, super good, and I just kind of sprinkled it on top, and then I'll give it all a really good stir and put a little bit more on. I don't put the dressing on here. I like to have a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of EVOO, but I scoop my dish out, and then I put that on there, and I count the points for the olive oil. And just a tip, I always keep a garbage bowl on hand. I do recycle, but I keep a garbage bowl on hand, and then that way it makes cleanup super easy at the end. So here's my meal prep just for my salads for the week. And here I have some leftover black beans and corn that I'll have this week if I make a taco wrap or a chicken wrap, and then I can add this to it. And then I have all my salads here ready to be for me to put the lid on, and then as I eat it, I'll put the salad dressing on. So quick, easy, and prepared. And this is just a picture of the progress, peeling my carrots and sorting all of my different salads out. And for this particular week, I made kind of a Southwest for a couple of them, and then the other was just added fruit. So guys, here's everything as I stated for the week, all of my different salads. This is extra for any kind of wrap or a snack or just something quick to eat. It's got leftover lettuce and peeled and sliced carrots. This is some extra corn and black beans, which I can use for any kind of chicken wrap, taco wrap, or just as a side with, like a chicken or meat dinner. And here is my garbanzo bean salad all mixed up with no dressing on it, and then some leftover lettuce for wraps or tacos or whatever. Quick, easy. Just pour a cup of coffee and you'll have it done in no time. So until my next video, be kind, be humble, age gracefully, and I hope you'll enjoy some of the snacks that I put together for this week and my meal plans. And sometimes some of these were salads that I usually like to just eat at lunchtime, but I even had it one night for dinner, and it was just very satisfying, and I just add some chicken breast to it. So bye, see you next time.